Bagsmart recently sent me 2 items to test out and review with you. One of these items got put through a real world test, and one of these will go home with you. Stick with me while we review, travel with, and unpack some of these items. My name is Rosie, and this is my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. So although I'm known for doing mostly clothing hauls, if you've been with me from the beginning, you've seen that I've done a few travel accessory hauls. Mostly base, but we've done others as well. So today we're going to be adding to the list with Bagsmart. Bagsmart reached out and asked me if I would like to test out some of these items, and I got to choose the ones that I thought would be maybe best for my viewers. So we got to do 2. One is like a backpack and one is a tote. More to come. Per usual, everything will be linked in the description box below if you like to shop any of these items. Stick around to the end because I will be giving one of these away, and I will add something extra in it just to make it more fun. Couple of fast facts. So you do get 30 days to return these items if you're not liking them. You will have to pay to return them. Unless there's an issue with them, then they will cover the fee. Otherwise, it's on you. And for luggage, which we're not doing today, but I wanted to note it, you get up to 100 days, so you can really test out and see if you really like their luggage. I thought that was pretty neat and noteworthy. Shipping was pretty quick, but I didn't order it through the store, so I don't feel like I have a good judgment on how the shipping would work. So I'm not going to tell you it came quick, because maybe it won't come quick for you if you're not getting it for free. So we're going to keep that area a little bit gray because we don't know for sure. Okay, first up, we have the Paz 23L tote, and that's this. Very fun. Still have the tag on it. This one is kind of like something I feel like pretty versatile. You could use it for work. You could use it as a diaper bag. It's the kind of vibe I was getting, and I thought a lot of my viewers would probably find something like this pretty interesting. This product's $70, has 10 compartments, and it's built of like a very durable nylon fabric, which feels pretty true. Now it says it also can fit a 15.6-inch laptop, very specific. But let's go through it. So here are the straps. These seem very comfortable. They're not stretchy, but they kind of look like they would be. You can feel that. Excuse my nails. I'm having a hot mom summer, and that just means I'm being a mom and I'm really sweaty with my kids everywhere they take me. So that's what I'm saying. And that's all I have time for. So then we have these stretchy compartments that are adjustable on each side. You have 2. About that, good life. All right, back to, we have these 2 compartments, and they're both adjustable, and it could fit like a whole bottle. Can it fit like our big bottle? Oh my gosh. Our big bottle here, which I can't tell you how many ounces it is, but it's huge. It fits with room. That's really good because that's like our widest one. That's great because if you're ever traveling, you could put yours, you could put babies, or you and partner, whatever. So then the front. So this is really nice. This is the kind of material that you could take with your kids and just destroy it because it can withstand it. Then you have a zipper here, and you have a pretty big pocket there. Ooh, we always like a little key holder. That's necessary. If you know me, you know I love my base bags, and all of them have always a key holder, so necessary. And then let's see, you have another little section here, little button opening, it just slide. Actually, it's pretty big. It's this whole space. That's really nice. Pretty convenient. Let's see, is there anything in the back? Nothing in the back. That's fine. So you can see what it looks like. Comes in other colors. This one's in color Grudlo, so pretty cute. I like that it was beige and black because I feel like that's my life. It's all beige and black now. Okay, so let's open her up. So you can fit a laptop in here, like I said, a 15.6-inch one, which is pretty big. And then it has a zipper top. So you can see, you can just zip it down, and it has kind of this very sporty, nifty zip. Has a little opening in the back, so it doesn't completely close, but closes pretty good. Let's open her up. And they seem pretty durable, and they seem like the type that are good for sporting usage, or for hiking, or if you're just an outdoorsy person, this is the kind of tote I would envision. And then what else? We have 2 pens, little spots there for pens, if you want to use this as a work tote. 2 wider ones, put your iPhone in, my whole hand this can fit in it pretty good. So then we have more pockets. You can see here, so this is the side of it where the water bottle was. That can fit something else. You could almost fit another water bottle in there, and it has a stretchy, ooh, this is tricky to do. It has a stretchy band, so it can kind of open up for you. Let me just give you a view of it from that angle. So you could see it really could fit a lot. And then on the other side, it does have a mesh, can you see that? Mesh pocket, and that's really stretchy. So the bottom, it doesn't have any kind of like flat kind of piece that some bags have, but it's pretty flexible. So this bag could just like get mushed up, basically. You could wash this for sure. I feel like I would definitely be washing this bag, but it feels like there's so many compartments. Ooh, did we do the zipper? I don't know. Then there's a zipper compartment, and that's nice, which you always need a little zipper compartment. So that's pretty much like two of my hands. Pretty nifty. I love this actually. I feel like just like your mom, I have a friend who just is like a nature girl. Super nature girl. She's always out. She's always hiking, walking with your kids, puts her stuff to the ringer. This is something I could see her having because it's cute, I think. At first, I wasn't really sure if I liked the style, but I actually, the more I look at it, these two colors together for me, really cute. Now, again, it's not going to be like a base bag, but this is something that's durable. It's like resistant. You can wash it. You know, it's that kind of bag. You can take this thing anywhere. It's durable and you can wash it. It's just your friend and your mom. Like, you just need things that are tough in your life. And not that they're an apples to apples type comparison, but I always think it's helpful since base bags are pretty popular nowadays to kind of do a side by side. So this is the regular weekender, and this is different. This is like very different concept than a tote, right? Weekender. But I wanted you to see a side by side. So they're actually pretty much similar in like width. I'm guessing the width of the weekender will fit a little bit more. It has this bigger base when this is a little bit smaller. Again, very different concepts, different styles. The bigger weekender is definitely gonna be bigger, but this is like I'm going on vacation. This is gonna be my purse, my diaper bag, my laptop bag, my work bag, my every bag. I could go to the farmer's market, like you could do a lot. This is not gonna replace a luggage or a carry-on, really. When you're using a weekender, I feel like sometimes you can replace it with that if you don't feel like dragging a bag. The price point for this is so affordable, $70. I feel like the $70, this is something you're not gonna regret buying because you're gonna use it so much. Now, aesthetically, I think it's like a sportier look, and that's gotta be like your CeeLo. You know what I'm saying? So if you like something more sporty, this is kind of your vibe. This is your companion in the nature, but also it doesn't need to be. It can be very versatile. Next, we have the Blast Mesh Travel Backpack. I had a hard time saying that. This one is also, actually it's a little bit more, it's $80. And instead of boring you with the review that I just did, why don't I just show you how this one is. We're gonna go to Chicago real quick, and Brian's gonna wear it for you and be our little model for this one. So let's go to Chicago. Babe, you ready to use your new bag?
Yeah, what's up?
All right, look at that, kind of nice, that top handle. All right, let's go. Chicago, here we come. Let's go. Strong, Dad? How's that bag? Is it heavy?
There's a lot of...
Yeah, we'll talk about those, but I was just curious to know if you're liking it or hating it. Okay. You were hesitant at first.
For a couple days.
Okay. All right, we'll give it a try. We'll give it a try today. Today's the test.
Yeah.
How much did you fit in that bag? Shoes. There's a shoe bag in there. There's dirty clothes. Your whole life.
Yeah, pretty much.
My shoes are in there. My thick pool shoes.
Yeah.
That's actually surprising. I wasn't expecting it to be good. I was not. All right, babe. So we're gonna show them how much we ended up having.
We ended up putting it here.
So we ended up we felt like it would be better to show you an unpacking versus packing, because we think that when you're on a trip, you end up having more stuff towards the end versus what you end up bringing. So we're gonna show you how much this bag ended up fitting. Go ahead, Bri. Start unpacking it. So show us your pockets too.
Basically in the back, I packed this huge sunscreen stuff, but it's kind of made for a lot of different areas.
So it has that.
Stuff into. It has a lot of different, like if you had a laptop or something, to put it in here. So it has a lot of different storage spaces just in the back portion alone.
Okay, so we didn't even maximize that, you're saying?
We didn't.
Okay.
And then up here, I just ended up throwing like a shirt, some chargers, and like little storage space up here. But you can also do more because it has more like storage space up here.
Toiletry spots.
Or toiletries or money and change, whatever. Okay. Just like various different small
Such a guy thing, throw some money and change. I'd be like, my lipstick.
We use this side a lot actually for the big water cup. It's really nice because it fits really big water cups.
Oh yeah, that was really helpful because of the handles ours had. and it has like this extra.
Yeah, so an
here.
extra little spot, and they kind of cover
Pull it out.
too.
Pull it out. That's pretty big. Yeah. Okay. Continue. You're now an influencer. Look at you. It's Brian's channel now.
It's like a luggage where you can tighten it too. And we probably could have fit more stuff in here, but I just have some clothes, a bunch of different shorts, a bunch of different shirts.
How many outfits did you pack in there, would you say? 3?
3 full ones, yes. And then, unfortunately, obviously, a big thing of dirty clothes, because we have to pack the dirty clothes.
So that was shocking to me that we fit that at the end, because it was pretty big.
With a bunch of different shirts, pants, underwear, and all that stuff. And then here,
glad you mentioned underwear. So what's that big
where
chunk?
You put your shoes and stuff. So it does take up a big area. However, you can still fit like this.
Okay.
It still fits out like a bunch in this big space, and if you pack down good.
Surprising, yeah. Okay, show us the
In
shoes.
here, I fit
How many
my daughter's shoes. I fit my wife's shoes, and I fit my shoes.
Wow.
So
and now how does it look?
So then when you put it in,
wow, flat. All right, did you fit anything else in this bag, or is that everything?
that's all I packed.
Perfect. So we did have to, couldn't fit like everything, like toiletries and stuff. We ended up having to put in my base bag. But ultimately, what is your final thoughts on this
I like
bag?
it. It's good for if you're doing a short travel with a few days. I think it's perfect. Anything longer than that's going to be a little bit more hard to carry. Or if you're really good at like maximizing your stuff when you go traveling and you know exactly what you're going to wear, you can actually.
You mean like a minimal?
Like a minimalist. Yes.
Minimalist?
Yeah. So
also,
it's
what about
really
commuting? I feel like it was good for commuting because we were training it.
Yeah, and this lasted us a few days.
Yeah. So what are the handles? It's this side handle, this handle.
Yeah,
what
so
else?
it's
Backpack.
This handle. So if you want to just carry it like this, you want to carry like a backpack. So that was really nice.
What was your preferred method?
Carrying it like this, or just across the shoulder.
Yeah.
Across the shoulder is probably my preferred.
Would you? All right, we've done 3 videos so far on travel products. We've done Nomad Lane, we've done base reviews, and we've done now Bagsmart. If you had to rank and be honest, what would you pick for the specific trip we went on where we took a train to Chicago?
Oof.
What was the best for that trip?
I would say
if you were just traveling alone.
Bagsmart is the best because it's a little bit easier to carry for a short trip like this.
For one man show?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Baze bag, I just feel like the backpack is just really a little bit easier to carry versus the Baze bag. You have to do like a shoulder strap on the other side. So
sure.
Like a short trip like this.
Backpack wins. All right, and there you have it, guys. Brian does not mess around. And now show me what it looks like a little bit better. That's cute. Do we like this color? I picked it for you.
It's like a forest green almost.
I don't know. It's a Bagsmart green. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. There's Brian's review. We enjoyed our Chicago trip. So what are your thoughts on this backpack? Do you think it's great? I honestly was shocked how much we fit in it and how easy it was for Brian to carry. Plus, it was like super comfortable. So I feel like this one is such a winner, especially if you're hiking a lot or you're backpacking through Europe. Like this is your bag. This is your bag. Get it. It's linked. And as promised, there will be a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this tote for any of you. I'm going to have a Google Forms in my description box, so just click that and enter your info in so I can reach out to you if you are the winner. And bonus points, if you comment where you're going to wear this to, you get a second entry. Also, I feel like something's in here. Ooh, all right, what are we looking at? Oh, we have a YSL brand new bottle. This one is 125 milliliters, 4.2 ounces, and it's called Baby Cat Raw Bourbon. So sometimes I get these really fun freebies and I always think I need to give these away. So this is what it looks like. It's this beautiful case, and look at how big this bottle is, guys. It is so heavy. I'm shocked. It's beautiful. You need her, and she will be in your bag. So again, there will be a Google form to enter this giveaway in my description box, and you get a bonus entry if you comment in this video where you're gonna wear this bag. So don't forget. All right, guys, thank you so much for making it this far into the video. I have to know, are we fans of Bagsmart? Was this a good one? Do we need more like this? I need to know. I work here for you. Comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Subscribing is free. It helps me stay on YouTube. It helps me so much more than you even know. And whether you're watching me on your phone, on your laptop, on your TV, like so many people seem to be doing nowadays, I will just show up there so you don't even have to search for me. And we could just continue being besties. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at next week's video. Ciao.